How to upload videos to TikTok from your phone so they display in 16:9 ratio when viewed on PC. Make sure you watch it. I'm going to show you now. This video is only for educational purposes only. So I'm currently using InShot for this. InShot is a video editor application. So make sure you get it. So tap on the InShot. So I'm going to tap on video. I'm going to use my previous video and show you what you need to do. So I'm going to select this one. So you're going to be able to see the canvas option. Tap on it. So you're going to be able to see this ratio option. So it's the first option, ratio. So if I scroll down, so you see TikTok here. So tap on it. So this is it. So you need to tap on this. So this is currently the 16.9 resolution ratio. So if you tap on here, you can be able to come on and export this video even to 4K. So this is it. So once I don't tap on the save, you're going to be able to export this video. And once you post it on your TikTok, it's going to be showing 16.9 resolution when viewed on PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.